Hey everyone, do you get bored doing the same things over and over, but you still want to make awesome stuff? Then AI can help you. AI is changing how we make art, music, and videos in a big way. Think about making cool art or amazing music just by clicking a button. AI tools are like your helpers, doing the boring stuff so you can have fun and be creative. AI can help you edit videos and even make new music if you're an artist, filmmaker, or musician. These tools can make you super good, even if you're just starting out. The future is here, and it's all about AI. And you know what's cool? We're bringing this awesome future right here to Dimapur. Come join our special workshop about AI for music and videos. Learn from the pros, try it yourself, and become even better at what you love. Don't miss this chance. Sign up now and be a part of this exciting change. The workshop is happening soon in Dimapur. Click the link below to save your spot. Let's make amazing things together.